Welcome everyone to the webinar series 2022 and Moldex3D. So today I will be your presenter, myself Yoganandam Natrayan, senior engineer in Moldex3D, and today our topic is applying Windage in Moldex3D. So, disclaimer, and this is my today outline. So in this today, I'm going to talk about the introduction. In introduction, I will going to talk about the warpage and the causes of warpage. After that, there are different shrinkage compensation methods used in the industry, and how we can also use that workflow in Moldex 3D to improve our product quality. And finally, the real case study from one of our customer, successful case study from our customer, and later the final conclusion about this presentation. So today, introduction. So the first, what is warpage? So actually the warpage is caused by uneven shrinkage, and when the dimension changed from our original design due to the differential shrinkage or fiber orientation for fiber material, or temperature different, or the uneven packing effect. So we can call it like warpage. So mainly these are the factors will affect our warpage. From this picture we can see very clearly. So the original our target design like DX, and after the mold eject due to several factors as I mentioned above. So if the part dimension changed from our original design, this we can call as a warpage. So what are the major factors which causes the warpage? So here a lot of factors will influence on our warpage of our final product. So after the mold ejection, so from the first, the part design. So for example, our part thickness, for example, if it's uniform thickness or uneven thickness around the part area, it will also will have a effect on warpage, like the wall angle, something like that. So next, moving on to the mold design. So something like a feeding system or like a runner system, based on this also it have a effect on the warpage. Also like cooling channel and the mold insert, some other components in the mold design, it will also have a effect on our warpage. So next, moving to the process conditions, something like our injection speed, cycle time, filling time, packing pressure, like coolant type, cooling temperature, the coolant flow rate, something like that, it will coming under the process condition will have influence on our warpage of the final product.